God's mission is such that it goes beyond the church. It embraces everything that God is doing in the world through His people and nations to establish His kingdom here on earth, both within the church and beyond the church. It is a mission that all Christians are called to participate in, and we have an immense privilege to do so. We are the church, and we have a role to continue in His mission. For us today in Cambodia, it began under a tree where a blind mother and her children lived. They had nothing. They did not know Jesus Christ. Yet God had decided it was then that a dream for the future to grow His kingdom in Cambodia began for us. We have been in Cambodia for 21 months already and have built those initial relationships with the communities and small congregations that reside within them. We are connected. They know our desire to serve alongside them to better their communities. From that time has grown a deeper vision by the local church for us to work within those villages that we connected to in order to establish sustainability platforms of community development to further growth in the local churches and communities. Young people who go away for technical training or education would then be able to return to their communities knowing that there is something they can do as well into the future. This may or could include short-term mission teams or talented persons coming to serve alongside us along the way, even for a short period. In the areas where we will be sent by the local church, children and adults will be able to come and grow in a secure environment and spread the good news. The local communities will be prospered and long-term goals achieved. We are learning how they too are serving amongst their own. We will build on a community of love for the local population along the way. We will be acting as consultants and teachers. This will solidly meld families with the zeal to grow their churches and communities as the years go by. We want to show them the love of Christ so that they can take it back to their communities, praising and glorifying the triune God. Please pray how you might be involved in this ministry, God's work, to the children and adults of the villages and provinces of Cambodia and their churches. Thank you.